Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, this is my summer last hurrah, okay? Because I'm getting the itch of fall and I just want to do all fall content. And that's what I want to do. But I do have some fragrances that I'm going to really miss. That I really enjoyed. So this is my last hurrah. And what fragrances are you like, okay, we wrapping it up. Fall's coming. You feel that fall weather? But we're kind of in the midst of this fall summer weather in Tennessee. Like on some days it's in the 90s, okay? And then some we are like in the 60s, you know, so we're kind of twiddling, whatever. We going back and forth, okay? On the weather, it's very kind of fickle weather right now, but these are some of my summer. I'm gonna miss them. Like these are, it's not goodbye forever, right? But it's definitely my last hurrah. First up, let's get it out the way, because one that I have talked about down. Okay, I've talked about it down. And this, I just recently did a rose list that will be coming out because me and my friend had a conversation. But I should have added this to the list because it is just the banger. It's compliment galores all the time, every day, all day. Like, and I wore this, like, look at this. Yeah, Juicy Flowers. You all know from Mancera. You know. Okay, if you don't know, hey, cause you knew. But this I've been blabbing about all summer. Okay, like the rose, berry, the pear. Like you all, like I don't know what else to say. Get it. That's all I can say. Get it. Need it. If you are a fruity, juicy type of girly like myself, you like sweet, you like fruity, but you still want to, you know, have that perfume. You still want to be mature about it. Blah, 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 right? Juicy Flowers is amazing. Compliments. I've gotten so many compliments on this baby right here. So good. I would highly recommend you all. Like, I don't even know if I could put her up. That's the thing. Like, do you put her up? Like, that doesn't even sound like a real thing. That doesn't even sound like a real reality thing in my life right now. Do I need to see somebody? I have to think about it. Okay, like we'll see. We'll see, because I might want to test her how she does in the winter, but this may or may not be my last hurrah. So maybe the title is whatever. Next up from Vinhelm Perfumery, okay, this is the Mango Skin. Like, I don't normally wear this in like the fall or winter season. Sometimes I kind of teeter on this in fall, so I'm not gonna say I don't. Ooh, baby, you talk about fruity dream mango. Like if you like mango drinks, mango the fruit, like just mango in general, you need this. Like this has got to be in your collection. If mango is a note that you enjoy, I know this is in your collection. This is perfect. Okay. Hey, what does this title really need to be? Because girl, is this my last hurrah? Because now I'm thinking about it. See, that's the thing. You get on here, you like, yeah, because these my last hurrah. And you got all this strength and confidence. Then you get on this and start taping. And then confidence, because then you start talking about it. And then you start thinking about it. Then you start like, anyway, Mango Skin, amazing fruit lovers, mango fragrances, you like down. Like mango lovers down. Like when I'm talking about down, in my head, because I know you all are not in my head with the hundreds of people in my head. When I'm talking about down, I'm talking about you need this like now. Like this is a no-brainer. Like hands down, you need this, you know? But I guess this is my last hurrah. Yeah, I guess this is my last hurrah. Oh my gosh, this is like a breakup. But they'll be back. They're still in my collection. This is not a decluttering. Anyway, this is my last hurrah with Mango Skin. But if you like Mango Skin, comment down below so the family knows that I'm not just the drama queen over here. Just comment down below. Tell them how good it is, okay? Next up, this fragrance is very much beachy, tropical. So yes, this is my last hurrah on this fragrance. I can confidently say with this one, because I have a couple of hot season trips coming up, but yeah. But then that's it, right? Because this is my last hurrah. But I would not do this in like the fall, winter season because it'll get lost in the sauce. Like, girl, you're not gonna smell this. You hardly have this lasting on you now. Okay, I'm just talking to myself. Anyway, this is Tom Ford. This is Soleil Blanc. This is the Eau de Toilette one, right? Which is why I say it doesn't really last right now anyway. But this is definitely my last hurrah. I love it though. It's so good. Tropical, coconut, like all the things that you want. Beach, you know, beachy hair, beachy waves, you know, water, sun, bathing suit, bikinis, all the things that you would imagine this tropical, coastal fragrance to be. It is, right? You know, and even if you don't like it, like it does have the white floral in it, so some like, no. And somebody with coconut, they like, I don't like coconut fragrances. I get it. But I do enjoy this during tropical season, during spring and summer. This pairs really well with a lot of my other fragrances. I enjoy this, but this is definitely my last hurrah with this beautiful diva. But until next year, we gonna have some more trips, some more tropical beach vacations. But girl, I think I'll be tied down at work trying to learn this, not even learn, but when you get a new promotion and all that kind of stuff, you got to get your foot in, get your waves in, all that kind of stuff. So after these last trips, we're probably tied down for a little bit, but we gonna hook ourselves up next year. But definitely my last hurrah. Next up, this Pretty Girl Pink fragrance from Loewe, Pink Magnolia. This is beautiful, okay? Definitely my last hurrah. I am going to miss her so much. This fruity, floral, musk fragrance. So good, so defined, so clean and fresh, and yes. Ooh! See, spraying some of these fragrances just brings back the memories, and it just hurts me, girl. It just hurts me to say, like, it's my last hurrah, put you up, put baby in the corner, like, But this is so beautiful. Like, I need you all to get your nose on this. Like, seriously, if you have not yet, I need you to try this out. I need you to see if this is your jam. I know, I feel like one of my family members said that it did not work for them, if I can remember. A lot going on. I'm a single mom, so, forgive me. But I feel like somebody said that they did not get along with this. But I do. Like, either way, like, because my word is not bond. Like, please try it for yourself, okay? Because we have different skins, different, like I like foodie gourmands. Some people don't. Like, we have different preferences, right? So definitely try it out. But it is so pretty. Like, sometimes I'm like, ooh, it didn't get along. Like, you didn't get along with this fragrance. I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry. Like, how? But it is so pretty and good. And if you like a fruity floral fragrance, this is divine. This is like new money. This is like new baby money. Like, you still got a big coin, but this is new money. Like, this is not like I'm wealthy. You like the wealth girl, but she got a coin. She got some coins and she got a plan. Okay. She knows what she's doing, but I would highly recommend you get your nose or try it out. Leve Pink Magnolia. Oh, girl. Woo, yes. Last hurrah, just because of the seasons that we're going into. But some of you all, like some of my family says, you know, they in Florida, they in Cali, they in all these different places where y'all don't have the 4 seasons. So y'all still pick this up. This is just my list because I know I got to wrap some things up. But if you are in the hot heat, wherever you are, whatever country you are in, I could try this, okay? Get this. Put your nose on it. See if you vibe with it because new money. Yeah. And last, but certainly not least, we have this fragrance that is heavy in white floral, okay? Heavy in white floral, but it has a citrus and a coconut note. Coconut note is in the base, but still good. Daydream. Okay. From Montal. Now listen. She got to be put up. But it's such a great pairing. Like if you have fragrances that are heavier for the fall and you're like, oh, but I still want this white jasmine, all these white florals to come through. This is a good pairing. So she might need to just be on the sideline. We might not put her in the game, but she on the sideline. But yes, this is so good for that type of thing, and it's beast mode, right? So if you have a heavy fragrance, it's gonna uplift it with those like white florals. Like I think it has even a orange flower in this. It's so good. But baby, gotta go. This is my last hurrah. Because I feel like for me, as we get into deeper seasons, I'm looking for like warm, spicy, cinnamon, caramel type of fragrances. I'm looking for like the spicy, spicy roses, that type of thing, like saffron, like sexiness, right? Maybe not as many white florals as I would during the summertime, right? But she's still good, I'm not saying I'm gonna get rid of her. She still serves a purpose, but the purpose has ended. And so, yeah, this is my last hurrah for Montal. This is Daydreams. I highly would recommend you get your nose on it. Because again, white florals is not going to be for everyone. Some might get a headache on it or however you flow with a white floral note. And again, it has many different, not just jasmine, like it has many different white florals in this fragrance. So definitely give it a try. Test it. Test on your skin. See if you vibe with it. But the season has come to the end with me and her. So, baby, gotta go. Well, that's all. That's all, fam, for my top 5 on my last hurrah fragrances that I will be wearing to end this summer season, okay? What are some of your fragrances that you're kind of like, oh, I need to just get it one more time, or you're kind of wrapping it up. You're like, oh, I probably won't see you until the next year. What are some of those fragrances for you? And some of you all, you wear your fragrances all season, all the time, okay? We all do different things, and that's fine. Nothing wrong with that, but I do like different fragrances in different kind of seasons. And I like to test some fragrances in other seasons just to see how they fit with my skin. You know how we do, okay? Well, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.